Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the galley kitchen renovation. So today we actually have the worktop installer surveyor come in today, and he's going to be digitally mapping out and measuring out the space for the worktop to be manufactured. So he's just going to show us how he's doing it. So what he uses is a digital laser, and he is using or collecting reference points at different areas in the room to create a 2D animation or drawing, which is going to come on his computer, and then he's going to be able to send that off to the manufacturer, who will be cutting the worktop. So yeah, once he does that, then he basically is able to send this off to the manufacturer. They will use the computer to cut out the worktop shape and size and all that stuff. Then their installers will come back in about 2 weeks time. They'll install the worktop for us, and then we can continue the tiling, etc. So just going to show you guys a couple of bits here, and then we're going to jump into the rest of our working day.
It's a very curved wall.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There's upstands, sink cutout, drainer, cooker cutout. Yeah, nice.
I'm just going to show you bit by bit. So
Yeah.
it's the laser.
Okay.
Then it's the layout.
Yeah.
Do the editing. Then I've made the actual template.
All the measurements.
Yeah, with all the measurements, and each piece has a page.
Okay. Cool. And again, you're saying where the red is the finished edge.
It's the polished edge, and then that's the
Use all the cuts.
rough edge, which is not really going to be seen, and then the pink edge is for the polish for the upstands.
Cool. Nice. So that's it basically. So then you just send that to the
take a few pictures and then send it off. They get these measurements and then they cut it according to the measurements that I've lasered today.
Right. And then they just come and fit it.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice one. Nice one. Thanks for that, man.
You don't like it?
Everybody likes me, man. Everybody likes me. Except for some of my subscribers.
Yeah. Whisper and support. Gone.
Ready? Yeah, man, I love this job, man. I'm gassed.
And you just line up with the edge on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you got the little gap here.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
17.
That side, innit? Yeah. Yeah, I love that. Yeah. Bring them now. You don't work in there. Bring them, man, for us. Don't afraid. Come on, man. You can do us a little favor then. Come on. As brethren. Same thing you say, Darren.
Watch it.
What's yours, mine?
Yeah. Well, where is yours?
There's more there if you can go.
How's the chef?
Yeah, and some milk.
Yeah.
Hope
you get some of that
outside.
in
Come
there.
and hold that. Come and hold that.
Bomb buckler. Which one?
Well on there.
You locked us dog?
Sorry, which one was this one?
You locked us dog?
Nah, I don't like that, but that fucking meal you have in 720.
Coach on you eating anyway. Tripod, I won you already, that.
Yeah, man. Doing a good job.
They paid me, so I work.
Of Tristan's cut.
I see my girl there. Yeah, I'm a missus that.
Disney princess?
Yeah. No, I'm a woman that. What do you mean?
I'll bring that one for me then.
Which one you want?
This one you want sugar.
Alrighty then. Let's get this bit in there. Bring some more there, Namdi, please. 4 sheets. I'm just gonna connect these ones in there. Connect into the family. Put some lighting in there.
Sorry.
If you side up, let's put it in there first.
Yeah, I just realized. It's alright,
If another one will fit down there.
Supposed to be in it. Sir.
Actually, not young dog.
Sure, big man. Yeah, let's touch the kind, you know? Yeah, exactly.
Nah,
Take it to there. Minnie Mouse.
What's it, 113?
113. 113.
What do you mean? 113?
113 there.
Yeah.
So not 113 now.
Well, 113 you want or 114?
113. I don't know what's the 113.
My brother tell me 113 but about 113. I hate people to read numbers for me so get me confused. Remember, I'm not too smart.
113.
They say it like that instead. Yeah. How about 113?
No. We're not born here, you know? We're not born here.
Yeah. I look slow.
So we're a bit slow.
Yeah, hold on.
But the Caribbean have the best education.
Come there, Ken.
You can need the quick maths.
Yeah, but we don't just deal with the numbers as they
We
come.
go to school then.
Oh, you trying to embarrass me on camera?
Man, say God.
You're like just
Man, gonna play marbles, then.
you're like it was
Keep up with the health and safety, you know?
supposed to be in school.
What's that?
Yeah, man. I'm playing marbles.
Yeah, but you're mad man. You go play marbles.
Yeah, go in school.
I telling you.
Bag full of marbles.
With them iron one.
An iron, yeah.
Boy,
Yeah, right.
About that, man.
big iron one.
Yeah, right. When you hit the thing with that.
Just break that, man. Our boy start to cry. This is marble. It's brand new marbles, isn't it?
He's gonna Ken, you might as well come, man.
Brand new marbles for Christmas. Let's go. Who's with me? Right. Ready?
Yeah.
That's it.
On the way in?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there off cut now? We'll start with
He's in the off cut.
Which one they have?
19 there. Crooked one. Let me see what side you've got in what's there. Only can't get because on that side is really that way then. We'll leave this too. Cut the door there.
That one. There. And then, yeah, you got that piece, and that's that.
Right, let's slide that down so we can use all of this. Slide that down about there.
Yeah, there you go, mate. Piece to go there.
Cheers, man.
We have a piece up there that might go there, though, you know. Actually, maybe not.
No pressure.
That's good.
And long sleeve it hot, Jalo style.
What minutes to 3 now already?
You should have got the jigsaw.
Huh?
Stick in front. Stand to like them floor there, boy. 40 degrees outside, yeah, man. Yeah? I just learned to use song. You can frighten Rasta boy in Babylon. He lie on IBV. You got that connect?
You got that now?
I was checking it once. Nice. And I was like, who got that?
Drunk, man.
You couldn't wear a mac in.
Huh?
No, sir.
But I seen him out there, eh?
Wait.
Right to your mac. You couldn't wear that because you don't want mac there.
You come to a drunk, man. We're drinking weekdays, no way. That's for Saturday, for Friday.
Maybe on Friday. Saturdays.
Saturdays?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, I will pick that one. I'll see you later.
I want to come. Yeah, catch you chilling.
The hungry kids, you know?
Yeah, starving.
The hungry kids.
It's the next advert.
Mm.
Yes, please, watch me. Please give us money. Please.
How we doing, Uncle?
What, that one in the script you do that?
The one in the script on most of it?
Yeah, but that line. I see it.
So you just do that one, I got to really get in it.
That'll kill me then. So. Starving children get fed. Yeah, bring come. Show them. Yeah, guys, chicken, rice and peas. Yeah, don't feed us. People them feed us, you know.
Thanks for all the contribution, those who donated to the Starving Children Fund.
Yeah,
As you
him
can
keep
see,
the money. We
they're
have
well-
no commission on that.
Alright guys, just a quick update. We've been here all day. It's about 5:30. I'm actually going to be staying a bit longer. The guys have gone home. Well, some of them gone home. Ken and Nandi are still here. Just show you quickly guys what we did. Obviously we did the floor first. The ceiling has been undercoated and prepped. All prepped and sanded, which looks good. We had to come back over that hole there, which I hadn't filled up for the guys, so we've done that. And also Nandi's done that bit as well. I'm going to be boxing in up there to cover all that. But pretty much only the ceiling and a little bit on the top there, that's actually going to be painted. And that's all been sanded and filled and stuff and ready to go. So the cabinets are all on. There's a few adjustments to do. I've got one cornice to put up there. There's no pelmets on this kitchen design, just cornices. Same thing on that side, just cornices there. Ideally, I wanted to put this, I mean, this unit is really tall and it would have made the shelves quite tall, but I would normally try to go to top, the same level with the cabinet. But one of the issues we have here is the extract ducting. So where the original ones is where we put it in. So it's just underneath the ducting, which you can't see here, which is gonna come across here and be boxed in. It's gonna come across here to duct across to the outside. So we can't move it. There's a concrete lintel there, so it has to go there. So that's what dictated that. We put the fan hob in, it just needs to be connected up. What else is there done? All the base units are in. The guy came obviously and measured up for the template, so that was already done. I've just started putting plinths in, as you guys can see. I'm putting that first one down here. So I've got a plinth to put here, plinths there, all across there. Customers also asking to put some LED lighting under there, so I'm actually gonna stay for a bit and see if I can actually connect the LED lighting under there for him. Yeah, just so that I get that out of the way. So other than that, we've probably got one more day here and then it's ready for basically tiling. Yeah, one more day. The guys will be coming to put the worktop probably about 7 to 10 days, they say. Once they put the worktops in, then we can come in and tile all of this stuff. We can tile all of this. I've got a tile all around here as well. So to be honest, there's a few little things left to do, and other than that, it's pretty much going to be tiling and sealing and silicone and all that stuff. Obviously, we've got to paint the ceiling, 2 coats. But otherwise, that's it. Yeah, we did really good. So guys, this is the finished product. So I stayed a bit late, as you can see, and I managed to get the LED plinth lighting done. So I'm really happy that I managed to get that done. And yeah, it's looking good. Just showing you guys what it looks like from underneath. And it lights up the room quite nicely, especially when the main lights are on. So yeah, just show you guys general room, and we'll be back here soon. We'll be waiting for the worktops to be fitted so that we can finish off the kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a like, comment, share, subscribe, and we see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching and take care.